Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Amazon, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you use an Amazon gift card? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know how to use an Amazon gift card? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you bought your client an Amazon gift card, but they're messaging saying they don't know how to use it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Amazon app. It's this brown and blue one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Amazon app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Amazon app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to use your Amazon gift card, the first step is you do need to redeem it. And how you do that is click on the person icon down here on the bottom center. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see more information about your account in Amazon. But in order to use your Amazon gift card, you have to scroll down until you see a button called Redeem Gift Card. Okay guys, I went ahead and scrolled down, and then here is what we're looking for, Redeem Gift Card, this little square. Okay, so here is where you need to start. You have to redeem your gift card. This will be for the physical and also the online Amazon gift cards. You're going to go ahead and enter the claim code there. Just be aware that once you enter in the code, it's automatically attached to your account. It cannot be used on a different Amazon account like your friends or your neighbors or anything like that. Once you've entered in the claim code, you're going to click on Apply to your balance, and then your Amazon gift card would go into your gift card balance. You can see I have $11.97. So now that we have redeemed the Amazon gift card, it's free to use as a payment method. So all you're going to do is go ahead and just pull up a product. Okay, so I'm searching for a product. Let's go ahead and click on this iPhone 13. Okay, so we'll use this as an example. All you're going to do is go ahead and add this product into your shopping cart by clicking on this yellow Add to Cart button. Okay, we've already added the product into the shopping cart, so we're going to click on the shopping cart to check out. Okay, so here we are in the shopping cart that I pressed down here on the bottom right. And in order to go ahead and use our Amazon gift card, we're going to do it in the payment option. So you need to click on Proceed to Checkout, this yellow button here. Okay, so here in this section, this is your order review. And then what you want to look for is this line right here. So this is showing how the payment is distributed. And as you can see, they have automatically applied my gift card balance to my purchase. So there's $11.97. Now, if yours is not automatically applied, what you need to do is scroll down until you see this line right here called Payment Method. Go ahead and click on that line. Okay, so once you click there, you get to choose your payment method for Amazon. But if you want to use your gift card, you need to make sure this line right here called Use Amazon Gift Card is in blue. If it's not in blue and it's gray and white, that means that Amazon gift card balance will not be applied to your purchase and you won't be using it. So that's up to you. If you do want to use your Amazon gift card, just make sure that it's green like mine is. And then let me go ahead and go back. Okay, so here we are back on the order screen. And next you want to go ahead and just click on Place Your Order. And then that Amazon gift card would be deducted from the total price. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use an Amazon gift card, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.